Good morning, everyone. Thank you for hitting the ground running and getting to work underneath that tent. It was extremely important. It just seemed like all the trucks pulled in real fast. What a day to build Harvest House, right? Let's just give a round of applause for that. Woo! Hi, so we're joining Harvest House and what's happening right now. And it's really busy. I think they've been a half hour into taking all the food under the tent and finding their wall, strategically planning what they're going to put on the wall. And then they're going over as a team member, bringing the food to the walls and then strategically placing it.
So Prudential's so happy and so proud to be a sponsor of this incredibly important event, which is aimed at combating food insecurity in the region.
At Connecticut Basement Systems, we have been so happy and thankful to work with the CVC. We've been working with them for years now, and this event is a really special one.
I'm Katie Keeney. I'm here on behalf of Comcast, and we are so excited to help out all the community food banks this year, this great event.
I'm Dave, the grocery manager at ShopRite of Derby. This is the Harvest House here. All the students are helping out. This is like my 9th year. I've been working with Pat. There's a lot of people that are hungry in the world, and ShopRite's trying to do the right thing here.
The food that they're placing on the walls are going to food banks tomorrow morning, and it's going to be so important because right now, many of the food banks, the 5 of them, several shelves are empty. And this is going to fill them up for months, weeks, I should say. It's Friday morning and the food pantries are here with their army of volunteers taking all the food away. We have all of these SUVs and trucks and a tent filled with cases of food that the food pantries are going to benefit from greatly.
The value of this food ranges to a total of around $60,000 of services to the citizens of the Valley who don't have as much as the rest of us.
You know, aside from just the quantity of food, what's so very important to this is most of the food that we're getting is healthy foods. So there's a lot more variety now, and with any luck, this will last for a couple of months.
Valley United Way values the mission of food security. And it's just been a great, great build. We're already looking forward to Harvest House 10. Great.